Maintenance-free new construction all-brick home. Convenient to Maryville, Lenoir City, or Knoxville. One level 2,000 square foot home. Featuring hardwood and tiled floors throughout. No carpet. 9 ceilings and a vaulted wood beamed ceiling and electric fireplace with soaring shiplap in the living room. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and oil-rubbed bronze faucets and handles in center island kitchen and baths. Frigidaire stainless steel appliances, breakfast room and formal dining room with board and batten walls. Owner's suite features a coffered wood ceiling, a giant walk-in closet, freestanding white tub and walk-in tiled shower. Covered front porch is 36 long west/glass double door entry and a 16-foot long covered back deck overlooking gently sloped backyard. The oversized side entry oversized 2-car gara.